I'm Elizabeth Anderson. My law partner, Penny Myers, and I own the Law Network. We are an all-women's law firm here in the Denver metro area. We specialize in estate planning and business planning. Most people meet attorneys at the worst time of their life. They're there to fight. They're there to litigate. We're not that type of attorney. Penny and I come from, we come to estate planning from very different perspectives. She started out working with very high net worth families. She has experience in dealing with offshore trusts, whereas I started out in the court system, dealing with the appellate division, highly contested cases, helping people who are elderly, mentally ill, and developmentally disabled. Special needs community has always been really important to me. It's kind of my passion project. I'm actually a chair of a local board that assists adults with special needs, developmental and intellectual disabilities. And with that approach, and seeing how the concept of individualized planning, individualized supports, I like to take that approach with it in my own practice. So even if my clients don't have special needs, I am planning for all those what ifs. What if they became disabled? What if one of their family members lost capacity? What can we do to help them? Penny, with her background in offshore trusts, it's really unique. She really understands these complex laws, the tax codes, and it just allows her kind of to identify an issue spot, areas of the law that most attorneys, I think, would miss. Estate planning really is not a single transaction. This is a lifetime relationship that we're creating. Penny and I, we really want to educate our clients. We really want them to feel empowered with the type of planning that they're doing. They don't need to be an expert. I don't want them to be an expert. That's why we're here. We want to be there to support them and educate them in those different transitions in life. Estate planning isn't for just the wealthy. It's for all of us. We were contacted by a family. There was a husband who had just recently retired. He was in his 60s and was really excited about this new transition in his life. But shortly after retiring, he unfortunately got a diagnosis of cancer. He kind of was in a panic, not because he was passing. He was worried about his family, and especially his wife, was a primary concern of his because she's young. She's also in her 60s, but she has a neurological disorder. So his big concern was, how do I take care of her, but not spend all my money on long-term care costs? He really did want to leave a legacy to their children, and while at the same time taking care of his wife. With the help of the financial advisor, we were able to make sure that there were beneficiary designations on all of his assets. So all of his funds, his retirement would pass to his wife without any court intervention. We don't want to go to probate. We wanted to make this easy. So all of those funds transitioned to the wife. And then in addition, we did some specialized estate planning for her. What we ended up discovering after doing that analysis was that, we could put the home in a type of irrevocable trust. We could protect the entire equity of the house. And we've also found some cash assets that we could protect and put that in another type of irrevocable trust. Once we completed that, we had about a little bit more than $1 million that was going to be protected from long-term care costs that would pass to the children when his wife passed away. It's sad because the gentleman, the husband passed away. We completed this entire process within 2 weeks. All the money got shifted. We avoided probate. We asset protected. All of this got done in 2 weeks. And the husband died a couple days after everything was signed and in place. I think what I'm most proud about is the peace of mind and comfort we gave to the family. He passed away knowing that he didn't need to worry anymore.